If you've ever opened Tinkercad and wondered how to bend shapes in Tinkercad, you're not alone. Tinkercad does not have a simple one-click bend command, but the good news is there are still a few easy ways to create curved and bent designs that look professional and work great for 3D printing or modeling. In this video, I'll show you the two best methods, using built-in shape generators like bent pipe or curve, and then using the Scribble tool for custom bends. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Tinkercad tips. Let's jump right in. The first method is the easiest one, and it works especially well when you want a clean, smooth bend without doing a lot of extra work. In Tinkercad, head over to the Shapes panel on the right side of your screen. From there, click on Featured, or if you don't see what you need, browse through all shapes. In the search bar, type in bent pipe, curve, or even torus. These are pre-made shape generators that already have a curved structure built into them, so instead of trying to manually force a straight shape to bend, you are simply choosing a shape that is already designed to curve. Once you place the shape on the work plane, click on it to bring up the inspector window. This is where Tinkercad lets you control the shape's settings. Depending on the generator you choose, you may see sliders for arc, radius, bend, or similar controls. These sliders are what allow you to change the angle and the amount of curvature. If you want a gentle curve, keep the bend low. If you want a tighter turn, increase the arc or reduce the radius. Take your time and adjust the values until the shape matches the bend you're trying to create. This method is perfect for things like pipes, handles, tubes, cable guides, and rounded supports. It's also a great option when you want your design to stay smooth and symmetrical. One important tip here is to zoom in and rotate your view while adjusting the shape, because it's much easier to see how the bend looks from different angles. If the shape is not oriented the way you want, you can always rotate it after placing it on the work plane. Now let's move on to the second method, which is the Scribble tool. This method is especially useful if you need a custom curve that doesn't match one of the preset generators. For example, maybe you want an irregular bend, a hand-drawn style curve, or a shape that follows a very specific path. In that case, go back to the Basic Shapes section and select Scribble. When you open Scribble, Tinkercad gives you a drawing area where you can sketch the outline or path you want. Use your mouse or trackpad to draw the bent shape as accurately as possible. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try, because you can redraw it and refine the curve until it looks right. Once you finish drawing, Tinkercad will instantly convert that 2D stroke into a 3D shape. This makes it a fast and simple way to create custom bent forms without needing advanced CAD skills. The Scribble method is especially helpful for artistic designs, custom braces, decorative parts, or any project where a standard curve just won't do the job. Just remember that because you are drawing it manually, the results can be a little less precise than using a generator. So if your project needs exact measurements, the bent pipe or curve shapes may be the better choice. But if you want creativity and flexibility, Scribble is a powerful tool to know. A great workflow in Tinkercad is to start with a generator shape if you can find one that matches your idea, and then switch to Scribble only if you need something more custom. That way, you save time and still get the shape you want. Also, always check the size of your bent shape before exporting or printing. Curved shapes can sometimes look correct on screen but end up too large or too small in real-world measurements, so use the ruler tool if you need exact dimensions. So, to quickly recap, if you want to bend shapes in Tinkercad, first try the built-in bent or curved shape generators in Shapes, Featured, or All, then adjust the arc, radius, or bend sliders in the inspector. If you need a custom curve, use the Scribble tool and draw your own bend directly inside Tinkercad. Those are the two easiest ways to create curved shapes without a dedicated bend command. If this video helped you learn something new, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Tinkercad tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.